Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Revolut to external wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then you have to click on crypto tab from here, or if you don't find crypto tab here, you can click on this hub option, and from this screen you have to scroll down and under this wealth section you will find crypto, so you have to tap on it. Then from this screen you have to tap on this search bar and search for the cryptocurrency that you are transferring. So I'm going to transfer Bitcoin, so I will just type Bitcoin and select it from here. Then on you will see the similar screen for your cryptocurrency, so just click on this send button and then you have to click on this new button on your top right corner. From this pop-up window, select crypto wallet and then click on got it. Then you just have to select the network that you want to use and then you have to paste the wallet address in this second input bar. Just open up your external wallet. I'm going to use the Binance, so I will open it and then click on this wallet options. From here I will just click on deposit and then I will just search for the Bitcoin from here and then click on it. Then you just have to select the network, so you have to select the same network that you have selected in your Revolut app and then you will get your wallet address. So just click on copy button right next to your wallet address and go back to your Revolut app, paste the wallet address in this area. You can also name your wallet address if you want and then click on continue, and then a 6-digit code will be sent it to your registered phone number. So just enter the code in this area and then click on got it. After that you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on send. Then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure wallet address, network and amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your crypto will be transferred from Revolut to external wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.